2018 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 MPG rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, electronic stability control, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.